Are you someone that likes to use icon stickers in your planner, maybe for date night or shopping, budget items, birthdays, travel, workouts, vet appointments? Well, I am somebody who loves to do that. In my paper planner, it was great. I wanted to figure out how to also do that in my digital planner in OneNote, and I figured it out. So stay with me and I'll show you. Hi everyone, and welcome back. I'm Crystal from A Crystal Clear Life, where we focus on planning, organizing, and living a more simplified life. At least that's the plan anyway. I'm so glad you could join me today. I was just setting up my week for the next week in April, and I had a thought about these icon stickers that I used to use in my paper planner. And I thought, I'm starting a new task coming up this week, and I want to make sure that that stands out and is something that I see every time when I look at my planner. So I'd like to put some kind of little reminder next to that task. So I got the idea of using an icon sticker. Let me show you how I did that. I'm going to zoom in here to the days of the week so that you can see what I'm talking about. Now on this side that you'll notice, I have a couple little icon stickers here and there for various things. This is the one that I wanted to talk to you about today. It's springtime, and that means that we have started to have to do some things in the garden. So I have, much like a lot of cleaning people have their house set up on a zone, I also have my yard set up on a zone. So on Mondays, I work in the front garden zone. On Tuesdays, I come around to the side of the house. On Wednesdays, I do the backyard area. Thursdays, the other side. And then either Friday or Saturday, we cut the grass. So in order to make this stand out for me, because it's something that I haven't had to do for a number of months, I went ahead and put front garden zone and then added this cute little flower. You can see on the other days, there's the backyard zone. And sorry about the movement. For Thursday, you see I have the circle garden, and on Saturday, you see I have cutting the grass. Now you'll also notice a couple other icons on this page. You'll see one here for budget review. Every time I do something financial, I like that to stand out a little bit. And I also find that it's a fun thing to add in for the weather every day. Now, of course, I don't know what the weather is going to be for next week. These are just numbers that are in there to remind me to log the weather every day. All right, let me show you how we do this. So if we went up here let's say I want to put something next to laundry. I can touch with my Apple Pencil. I can touch and bring up my little keyboard down here. And you see that I have a regular keyboard. There's two ways to do this. Let's say I want to do laundry. I want to find something for laundry. So I can start typing Laundry, and you see that automatically my keyboard pops up with a little laundry basket. If I touch on that, it will replace the word laundry with that little basket. That's pretty cool, I think. I like that a lot. Now the other thing that I can do on here is if I want to see a variety of different icons that are available, I can go down here on my keyboard to the happy face, which is the emoji keyboard, and it brings up all of the emoji stickers that are on my iPad. Let me see if I can scroll over and let you take a look at some of those. You see that the list is quite extensive. There are all kinds of things on here. There are also different categories. Down here at the bottom, you see there are different plants and animals. We have different types of food. We have different sporting events. We have different modes of transportation, communications, symbols, flags, on and on. It's just unbelievable. This very first button are the ones that are used the most frequently for me. So as you're using these, they will store them there in the most frequently used section. I think that's pretty cool too. All right, now let's say that I like this laundry icon and I want to keep it. So I can go up here and I can use it over and over again if I'd like. I can touch it, choose select, make the box bigger to include what I want, the icon. I can then choose copy, and I can go somewhere else on my page that I have laundry, which is up here on Monday, and I can paste that right there. Pretty cool, huh? Now, I'm somebody who loves to collect these things, and I, of course, in my sticker section of my planner, I have a whole page of things that I've collected. Let me quick jump over there and show you that page. If you look here, I have a page called Dots and Emojis, and I have all kinds of emojis that I can use as icon stickers in my planner. There's a gas pump, there's a spool of thread, there's a taco for Taco Tuesday, there's an alarm clock if I have a reminder, there's my $ icon, dentist appointments, medication refills, there's that cute little laundry basket, some cleaning supplies, planner time. It goes on and on and on. They also have some number boxes down here. If you're somebody who likes to use dots to cover up numbers for something, you can do that there. And different colored dots and shapes as well. The flexibility of being able to customize my OneNote digital planner to meet my exact needs is one of the reasons that I love it the most. I'm sure that you will find adding these cute emoji and icon stickers is also fun if you are using OneNote. If you've learned something new here today, or you found value in what we've talked about, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. A like really is the best compliment that you can leave me. And if you'd like to learn more about what we do here at A Crystal Clear Life, how I use OneNote as a digital planner, how I simplify my life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos about every Friday, and if you'd like to be notified when those are uploaded, go ahead and hit that notification bell, and it will notify you when there's a new video. I'd like to know how you use stickers and icons in your planner. If you'd like to get in touch, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching this quick video today on using emoji as icon stickers in your planner. It really is a fun way to add a little pop to your planner. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.